Hello and welcome to Dr. Mummy Cake's easy to follow cake tutorials where I show you how to make delicious cakes just like this coffee layer cake which I'll be showing you how to make in this tutorial. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and let's get started learning to make great cakes. Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a coffee layer cake. To start off with, I've made sure that I've checked all my ingredients and that I have them available. I've also turned on my oven so that it can start to preheat. I have prepared my cake pan using my method. If you want to know how I prepare my cake pan, have a look at my video on how to prepare your cake pan. To start off with, you're going to combine all your dry ingredients together. So there's several ways to get your coffee flavour infused in your cake. You can either use dry instant coffee granules, like in this case, or if you're very adventurous, you can use like flavoured ones. Or if you've got an espresso machine, then you can use that as well. Okay, stir and add that to your milk. And then we're going to set this aside. So the next step is going to cream our butter and sugar together. Creaming your butter and sugar incorporates air into your mixture and helps you get a nice fluffy cake. So you can either use unsalted butter, or if you want, like what I'm doing, you can use a butter block such as Stork, okay? So weigh up your butter directly into your mixing pan. Combine your butter, white sugar and brown sugar together using your stand mixer or a hand mixer. You want to do this on medium speed and you'll be mixing for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Remembering that to stop in between maybe every minute or so to give your bowl a nice thorough scrape so that all the sugar, butter is combined together. Otherwise you'll be left with sugar or butter at the bottom that hasn't well combined. After about 2 minutes, this is what your mixture will look like. It should be nice and creamy, but you'll still see some sugar granules, that's okay. But this is what you should be aiming for after mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your eggs, one at a time, and beat for about 30 seconds in between addition of each egg. You want to beat the mixture on high. So I've added my second egg in and I'm mixing it initially on low speed and then cranking it up to a higher speed and mix for about 30 seconds to a minute until it's well incorporated into your mixture. As you start to mix your mixture, you'll see that it becomes more liquidy and creamy after you add the eggs. Once you've added the last egg, beat on high speed for about a minute to get everything to combine. Again, taking time at the end to give your bowl a thorough scrape to make sure everything is nice and combined. So your mixture would look like some sort of clotted yogurt. And that's the consistency that you want to be aiming for at this stage. Add in your sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use plain Greek yogurt as an alternative. Mix on medium to high speed until the sour cream or the yogurt is combined into your mixture. Next, add your vanilla essence. And mix until the vanilla essence is combined. This just take 30 seconds at the most. Now we're adding our dry ingredients to the mixture. Once you have added your dry ingredients, you need to be careful not to overmix your batter. So mix on low speed until it's just combined. Just combined means that the flour has now been incorporated into the mixture. And once you get to that stage, you want to stop. Pour in your coffee, which has now cooled down, and mix on low speed until the coffee is incorporated into the batter. Again, making sure that you don't overmix your batter mixture. So at this stage, your batter is ready and should look like this. So you can see that there are no big lumps of flour and it's a nice creamy consistency. It should look a little bit light brown in colour, and this is from the addition of the brown sugar as well as the coffee. Pour your batter into your cake tins, which you should have prepared at the start. I always make sure that my cake pans are prepared so that as soon as the batter mixture is ready, I'm pouring it straight into my cake pans. You don't want to let your batter sit for too long, because as soon as you combine the wet and dry ingredients together, the science of baking has already started. And here are our cakes just fresh out of the oven. Literally, as soon as I opened the oven, the smell of that coffee and that vanilla is just also delicious. And look at that consistency. It is very nice, soft, moist and fluffy. You get that hint of coffee, you get that vanilla flavour. The brown sugar gives it a nice caramel undertone. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that you'll try this out at home. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so that you know every time I put up a new video. Thank you and see you next time.